Now I will go to make the white color. You can see here I have a white color. I have two ways to make this color. Always we do this with the satin stitch. Satin stitch, I have to fixed satin and complex fit satin. So you can go there, you can check input symmetry. If I have input symmetry, this I can choose the point which I want to do one by one. If I have this one, this input parallel, it means I won't make the same size, because as I see here, I can see this is this one is equal, all is same. Okay, just some part have here, then I check later how to do. So I can go with the input symmetry. Then this is a will must use this one. I will go to left click, then now I choose it again. I need to go right click, then I can choose the specification what I want for the density and the length of the stitch. Right click, I can open, then you can see fill stitch. This will be a satin, as you see here. I can do so many stitch, but now I want to use the satin. Stitch distance. Stitch distance, as I told you last time, is the density. So if I make it 0.5, it's okay. If I make it 0.4, it's more close. If I make it 0.9, it will be more density, less density. Less density, it means it will be empty. Okay, normally I will do one like 0.4, and you can test later. You can test later the 0.4, 0.6, 0.9, whatever. Then you can do also 1 or 2, no problem, if I need the density less. So more density is 0.4, 0.3, 0.2. Less density 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. Okay, this is about the stitch distance. Now the forward count, I want to go only one time. Backward count, I only want to back one time. I can change here, then the stitch go and come. I can stitch here, make here, then the stitch go and come. But normally I use one by one. Okay, here you can find the split. The split of this stitch, it will be times is 1. I only one time. Then the stitch length, always I make the stitch length 12. If I need the maximum is 12. 12 means that if I have a stitch like 12 mm, like 1.5, it will come 1.5 one time, not make jump. If I want to make it less, then I can change this to 8 or 7. Then when the stitch come to 7 wide, then to maybe 8 wide, then 7 will divide it to 2 stitch. I prefer to do it 12 now, just keep it as a 12, and minimum stitch I explained before about 0.5. I prefer to make it 0.5. Same also, I have effect or underlay or effect. I left click. I want to make the underlay. I choose it here. First underlay. Normally I do center run to fix my way to go. Then the length of the stitch, it will be 2 mm. If I have a small design, I can go with 2 mm. If I have a big design, big running area, I can make it 3. So let's keep it 2.5 now. 2.5. I will keep it 2.5, then we'll see. So this is about the center run. If I want another zigzag, it means it will go center run back to zigzag, then fill the stitch. If I need my stitch like more to 3D stitch, then I can select second underlay and make it zigzag, and the zigzag space will be 2. It means that the distance between 2 here, the distance I choose it for the normal stitch 0.4, here will be 2. So maybe I need more like to go more like 3D, I make it like 1.5 the space. Okay, the length it will be also 12, and the angle will be 19. Okay, I keep it like this. And here, as you see, I explained to you before about the underlay. The outline is the outside is black. This is my real stitch, which I will see. This is the red one is the underlay. Underlay will be inside this much, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2 from all sides. Okay, then I keep it like this. I can change it. I can make it more to go inside more. So maybe I can make it 3 for the 0 side, up 3, and down 1. It will be 3 because this will be together, and 2 and 3 will be together. If I change, it will change together. Then I will leave 2 and 3 same, and 0 and 1 make it, I will make it 3. Okay, now I say okay, it means I agree this specification here. Then I can specification here, all is okay. I make it 4, I make it 12 the stitch length, I make it 0.5. then I can save this, and I said okay. Now if I said enter, you will hear the click beep. Now beep, it means now I'm ready to use this function with this specification, input symmetry. Then I will start from here. Okay, so start from here, I will go again. If I need to go straight line, left click, straight line, see, can see here, left click. Then here will be straight line, left click. Then I want to go up, left click. Here I choose according to all this, left click, because it's straight line. Okay, there again here, then again here, then again here, then here I have this part. See this part, I can go this part like an angle, like this, left, all this, left click, and as an angle, as you see here, left click. I just follow the line here. Here I just follow the line. See, I just follow the line. I can make a control on my keyboard. Control means that this line will be straight. See, if I make it angle, okay, it will be straight. But if I release the control from my keyboard, I can move any angle. But if I use control, it means it will be straight. I want to make it straight. Okay, so let's do, I prefer to divide it this part here. See, I make angle, I make angle, all this with my control. I just push the control and keep pushing the control during this time. Okay, then I will do this one here, you can see, and here I just follow. Then now finished, no need more stitch. Then I release my control from the keyboard. Then I say enter. When I said enter, as you see here, it will show me the design like this. This is the 3D, this is the running. Okay, one important thing, I have angles here. See, I selected this one, this part. I will select this part. You go up here, you can find here shortening. See, this is shortening, must be, I choose it at the beginning when I start. Here auto jump, here shortening, here the pull composition, here the auto underlay. Auto underlay because I open auto underlay. Then if I have angle, it will be a smart corner. This later I can show you. I need to use shorting. I left click. Then it will, here the stitch, it will have some stitch down, some stitch up, some stitch down, some stitch up, because this one now have a shorting. I will use shorting again, then I keep it, and when I start again to make this other part, I will do shorting, then I can again continue. Now I need to enter, then I will continue. I want to see this one start from where and end to where. Then I choose here left shape. I go to shape here. See here, this is the cursor here. I go to shape, then left click. It will change it like this. It means here you can see how your design will run. Okay, now it will start from here. As you see, this is the green here. This is start, and the red here plus this is a red cross. It means this is the end. So I can leave it here, or I can move it somewhere to make less jump. If I leave it here, it will make jump to go to next step. So I prefer I catch this one with the left click. See, with the left click I can catch this one and send it somewhere I want to, the end of the design here. So I make it the end of design here, you can see here. Then I do enter. Now my design end is changed. Start will be this square green, and end will be this cross red. Okay, this is the end. When I start this again, another one, a new one part, it will make a little jump. Now okay, then as usual I will do escape. Then I can continue to make another design. Escape from my keyboard. Okay, I escape now. Then I want to continue here. Which stitch I want to use? Again I input symmetry, but now when I input symmetry, it means already specification already there, because I hear the beep after the make specification. Only I want to here make it shorting. So I will use auto jump. I click on auto jump and left click on here. You can see left click on shorting, left click and pole composition if I haven't, and left click on underlay if I need underlay. Already I need underlay, then I just go there, input symmetry, left click, and I will do again enter. All this specification will keep for next time. Now I hear the beep, means I can use this specification to move on. So I can move the screen from here. You can see, move the screen up from here, down or up where I want to go. Now I will use again here screen, make it here. Then I want to make this like M and A, okay, and this like R. So I have to do this first. As you see here, see, I can see here something like this go down, go inside here. Then I can start from here, go there, end here. Then after that I will choose my end the same like last time, because as you see here, this line is under this line, and this line up of this line. Then now I have to change my plan. Because of what? This line is down of this line. So I thought this line only down. No, so I will not use R now. I will not do R now. I have to do this line. See, this line first. Where is this line? I can move up. I can see this is the line here. It will start from here. See, and here, end here, end, start here and end here. So I have to go here, but now I found again something else. This one go here, see, from here, and this up. It means this one is up. So if I follow the design like this, I will make it too complicated to myself. So no need to make it complicated. I just move this one here, there, then go up, no problem. I will start here, then I choose the input symmetry, and left click because I use the straight line. Left click because I use the straight line. Left click to I use the straight line. Left click to use the straight line. Left click to use the straight line. Then now I go into circle. So circle means that I go to here, make it right click, and here right click. It means that this is a circle, and go here and go here. Right click, then right click and right click. Then here the end of this area will start with the straight. Then I do it left click and left click. It will make the circle. Then I will go like straight to this part here, you can see, and straight to this part, then you can see here. Then I make this one, then I do enter. Now I start from here, down, run, will run until finish here. So start here and end here. I have no problem now with the start and point and end, because this you can learn later, no problem. So now I want to do the arrow, this one. So it will end here, and I will again choose the input symmetry, and again I start this from here. Left click because this is straight. This left click because this is straight. Left click to left click, and this is straight. Then I do enter. As you see here, this line stop here, but this arc start. I can go to shape. Okay, I choose first last one, I choose shape. Then I see it start here. It means that this one will end here and make jump to start here. I can move the start point to here, then it will not make it the jump. Okay, so I do this one here, then move it by left click and enter. It means now my start point will be here for this arc. Okay, now I finish this part, it will end here. Then I will go to make this one. Okay, make this one. No need to make it complicated, just go with this one and make it finished. Okay, so again I escape from my keyboard, then I go start from here, end here. So start here and end here, then my design will finish. See here, input symmetry again input symmetry, left click because this straight, left click because this straight. I can make left click and left click because this is straight. I can make left click this is straight, and left click and left click. I make it divided here because it will be long. Then left click and left click because also this is straight. Left click here and here, left click because this is straight. Then go down, left click and left click because this is straight. Then I do enter on my keyboard. Now here you can see, if I want to check where is this start and end, I can see here shape. Then the shape will show me this is start here and end here. Okay, until now I finish this design. Okay, then I go escape again. Then if I need to make any change of the what I have done, I just select, make select, then go select. I select this one or this one or this one. Where I want to make change, then I can do. So this is the design, and I found here maybe my design here. You see, according to the design we have, it's not correct. So have some gap here and no gap here. Maybe it means they mean it like this. It's no problem. If no mean it, I can change some, like select, then make this one this one, I choose this size and make it, choose it already, this side, this shape, I choose it, then I make it shape, I change it to shape, then little bit left click and go inside, little inside. See, I can left click, catch left click, then I can just move little bit, then I do enter, it will be like as you see here, some gap, it's same like this. Okay, so if I like this one, what I have done now, I will go escape from my keyboard and I want to save this design. I want to save this design. I will save this design by go to file, I keep save as, and I choose the folder where I want to keep this design. Normally I keep my design in D folder, so I choose the D folder in my computer, D folder here, double click D folder, and I make file DST, then I can keep my design here. I can keep it design 1 DHP, or I change this design to make it another name. So I follow my number because I have numbers here, GIN41B, and this is I check where is my last design number. Maybe 70, this one 71. I make it, you can name any name as you like, no problem. I make it here GIN72, then I save it as DHP, as you see here, DHP file. I can change it anytime, I can change the stitch anytime. If I make it DST, it means it cannot change, so I make it, I save first time DHP, save, then again I go to file and save as, and I do this, the same number will come, but this time I will save it DST because this is the machine can understand, DST extension, machine can understand. Then I make it here DST, as you see here, change it to DST, then I can make save, then now my design saved. If I need this design to take it, I can go file and open, then you can see here all your design here. This is your design which you want to. I will save this in my USB, then send it to my machine. Then I can take this file also, if I know the number from the folder itself, just go to the number, keep it on the USB, and I take it to my machine to start. First you start this design, test it, and you training yourself, then you can do others design also. Okay, now I go out. Okay, I hope this can help.